That's better than I expected. Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Wednesday. It happens to be my birthday today. Likely not when this goes up. Third use of the Alfredo sauce I made. I'm making No-Eggs Alfredo. Now where? So I have some leftover Alfredo sauce in a pot. Got a little extra almond milk in there to thin it out. Definitely going to want this maybe on the runnier side. I'm going to pop the English muffins on my toaster rack here just to get that toasted a bit. And my frying pan is heating up. Warm up this sauce. My pan is heating up. Woo! Get these crumbs out of there. Those crumbs out. We're gonna get a little oil into the pan. It's just a vegetable oil. I have some tofu. It was just a large block of tofu. I just cut it in some fairly thin slices and just used a container to go and punch these out. So I'm just going to get these in the pan, get them started cooking. Don't necessarily want it on a high heat. Just get your heat down so it gives time for that to heat thoroughly through. And I also have some Vanlife Gimme Lean plant-based sausage that I just cut off a couple of discs, and this old plastic bag I've been reusing, I just put them on here and I press them down with the frying pan. So, just for the sake of speeding this up, I prep some of this ahead of time. See if I can get these into the pan. I pressed it a little more than I wanted to. I don't know my own strength. I'm just gonna, a little salt and pepper. May as well put it on the sausage too. And something to give this more of an eggy taste. I have Kalinamak. It's black salt. It's a very sulfury salt, and it happens to give things an eggy-like flavor. You've seen this on my channel before if you watched my videos. I'm just going to crack some of this on the top of the tofu pieces. Smells like egg already. I'm going to let that cook on that side, and then I'll flip them over. I'll season the other side as well. So, sauce is warming up and thinning out some. Should we add any veggies to this? Well, the sauce is doing good. The English muffins are toasting. Get this stuff flipped over. Okay. A little bit of salt and pepper on the tofu. And a little bit more of the black salt. I don't think I'll post a recipe of this, but I'll leave a link for the black salt in the description of the video. You can get it. And this grinder, it's kind of nice. It grinds up, but it does leave it kind of chunky. You can buy it powdered like this. I actually found this in one of the regular grocery stores. Oh. English muffins are toasted. Decided on some spinach. I'm not going to need salt and pepper anymore. There's enough on that now. And the black salt, there's some on. So with black salt, it's usually better to add it towards the end of your cooking as it loses its potency when it's heated. So that being said, I'm just going to add a little bit more on the top here. So let's just take some of this sauce and put it right on the English muffin. Like that. Just so that we get a nice flavor of it all the way through. Ooh, blackened up a bit. Let's put the sausage on there and our no egg. Turn the heat off of that before I forget. Our no egg. Oh, no, we want the sauce right on top of there. So let's squeeze the spinach in between those two. Yes, I decided on spinach. Get some spinach in between there. And it's not like an egg yolk, but it's creamy and delicious. So I should use the spoon for this instead of a spatula, but let's just drizzle it right from the pot. And by drizzle, I mean cover. There. And what else? How about we... Oh, not regular paprika. Let's do a little smoked paprika. A little smoked paprika on top, just a little bit. I'm still coughing because tasting the salt off of something. Oh, there we have it. No-Eggs Alfredo. a la Eric. I think I'm going to take this to my step. I know what? I have a table and stool now. Thank you, Virginia. This isn't the fanciest dining, but one's lower than the other, so I can use that as a table. But this is why I'm choosing to eat outside. I'm right next to the main road, heading to Tofino. So there's traffic going by, but it's a beautiful view. The sun's hitting over on this side. Snow caps up there. And of course the van. Let's grab the food. Let's not spill it. We're gonna have to eat it. Eat it fast. Eat it fast so it doesn't get too cold. Maybe you wanted to see the inside of it. Whoa. That's better than I expected. Thanks for watching. Give it a like if you like these videos, and subscribe below if you haven't already. Really helps out the channel, helps me out, and coaxes me to make more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.